Ukuphi?
You know what I've discovered?
Ukuphi?
He dates girls that have their own apartments.
Exactly. So that's why he didn't come to me over the weekend. That means he went to the
That's
girl's
what
place.
he's saying. And then when he's free, comes to your place.
I told you to come over on a weekend, but you didn't come. Bono Candy or Ket, whoever that is.
No. Siyakhuluma manje. So you clearly you're not a man.
No, I'm not.
So what are you? A second or a third?
I don't know. I thought I was the first. But definitely he didn't say my name first. That means I'm not the first.
So how?
Baby, expect ukuthi mina ngifile kanjani usho so?
This is not good.
Nini? Nini?
And he's using you. To give him money.
Yes, I give him money.
Oh, so Katleka is using you. What if he's also taking money from another woman?
Manje ngeweekend ke kusho ukuthi bo busy ngoba ngikufonele ngeweekend awuphendula ifone ungitshela ukuthi hey you are not at home knowing exactly vele ukuthi you are not at home ubusy nomunye umuntu lapha.
Sokhuluma ngizokufonela efonini yakhe.
Siyakhuluma manje ngithi.
Yes.
Ukoko yahleka. Okay, look. This guy is doing this like it's a business to him. I don't know. I feel like he's running a business. Probably he's doing the same thing. Please don't cry. And I don't have a tissue here. This guy probably is taking money from you and another woman, and he's staying in your car. So what if this is his hustle?
And I asked him over the weekend, are you coming? No, he's not coming. He was busy with someone else.
And you are loyal to him?
I am.
You don't have anyone on the side?
No.